So hello friends, today we are going to install the nuclear explosion mod. So I have given the link in the description. You can download this mod from the link. There are various categories of explosion in this mod. You can choose which you want. So I have used the recommended one. You can choose any one according to your PC specification. So I have downloaded a mod. This is my zip file. I have extracted it and then open the extracted file and then go to. So here you can see that there is a recommended one and there is a huge explosion. According to your wish you can use any one. In all the 6 or 7 folders the same thing is present, but the radius of the explosion will vary. So today I am going to use recommended one, and here there is also a file for the low end PCs. So first I have to open OpenIV. So these are the steps which we have to follow. First we have to go to mods folder, then update.rpf, then common, then data, then effects, and drag and drop the files according to the steps in the readme file as I am doing. And before doing the replacement, just copy the original file as I am doing, because if you face any problem in future you can again replace this file and make your game normal as it was previously. So drag and drop this file here, and always remember before dragging the file, always make the edit mode on. So we have replaced both the files. So in the next second step we have to again go back and then go to x64, then go to effects, then go to metadata, and finally we have to replace the third file. Here also we have to make the backup of the file, so I have made it. So drag and drop this file here. If you face any problem in the step, you can read the readme file easily, you can follow it. So we have started the game. Let's check whether our mod is working or not. For this we have to use a launcher. So you can see the explosion is huge but the damage is less. So by using different files, as I have shown there are 7 files, you can use any file and you can change the radius of the explosion. So now I am using army helicopter. So you can see how much we have increased the radius. So now let's explore the Vinode sign. And boom. So you can use this in any missile launching vehicle. I am using fighter jet Hydra. I think its explosion effect is quite nice on ground. It looks nice. You can use this mod with my previous mod, the bomber mod, and you can drop bombs through planes and make the same explosion. Oh shit, my engine got damaged. So let's explode our last plane. Let's go some more closer. Boom. Still the plane is flying. Let's shoot another missile. Oh, the missile is exploding before hitting the plane. Let's try once. So finally it destroyed. So here goes our final missile. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And finally my jet also got damaged, and we are done. Eject.